Hey, hello, this is our first video. That was Magnus. This is our first video speaking Swedish, learning to speak Swedish, and we have a goal. Maybe next year we're going to be taking a year in Sweden. We currently live in Sarasota, Florida, and Magnus is going into first grade. I teach fifth grade, and the goal is to do one sentence or one saying a day. And the first saying that we're going to say in the first, what do you got there? Oh, it's a Viking ship. Maybe that could be our next one. So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit, please. Okay, stay here. People want to see you. The first saying that we're gonna say is good morning, sleep well. Godmorgon, sovit gott. Godmorgon, sovit gott.
Godmorgon, sovit gott.
Okay, Magnus. Oh, yeah, look at this. Spider-Man. So it's your turn, Magnus. You gonna say it? Godmorgon, sovit gott. Okay, so real excited. Our goal is to shoot one video a day with one Swedish saying a day, or some kind of common saying. Okay? Hej då.